Hi, Eric Grant here. How do you install all these parts for the Twist-Lock Fastener? Well, it's easily done with a HandyPress.
This is the Twist-Lock Fastener installed in a cloth-to-cloth application. It locks the second fabric panel together to the first. Buttons are on the bottom side. To install the Twist-Lock stud, we need to punch 2 holes in our fabric assembly. Notice that the HandyPress does this beautifully with the Twist-Lock dual hole punch set. You can punch holes as quickly as you can position your fabric and pull the lever down. No more using a hammer and an anvil to install the 2 buttons. Simply place the buttons in the die of the HandyPress Twist-Lock Dual Snap Setter Kit and pull the lever down with the Twist-Lock in position, and your 2 buttons are set beautifully. With the HandyPress, you just need to load the dies, position the stud, pull the lever down, and you've got a beautiful installation of a Twist-Lock as fast as 1, 2, 3. To install the eyelet in the washer, we need to punch a hole through our next fabric assembly, and it needs to have the slits for the prongs as well. Here we're using the Twist-Lock eyelet hole cutter. It's so easy with the HandyPress. No more heavy mallets and smashing it several times to punch holes in your fabric assembly for Twist-Lock fastener eyelets. Now that the oval and the 4 slits is made, all you need to do is push the eyelet through the slits, position the washer on the back side, and we also have a die for the HandyPress that will roll the 4 legs of the eyelet over the washer. Watch. Now that's easy. No more screwdriver or other tool to roll those legs over. Simply use the HandyPress and the Twist-Lock eyelet leg folding die set. As you can see, the HandyPress does a phenomenal job installing all of the components of the Twist-Lock fastener. This is just one task that the HandyPress will accomplish. There are hundreds more. Check out the HandyPress at the Sarit website and order yours today.